Today's video is how to matching cinematic color for any video clip in Premiere Pro. Drag your main video clip on timeline. Then drag your reference cinematic image on timeline. Put image and video together side by side. Click on Comparison View. Left side is reference cinematic image and right side is your main video clip. Select video and then go to Color tab and click Color Wheels and Match. Click on right button on project portion, then click new item, then go to adjustment layer and click OK. Drag and drop adjustment layer above on video. Select adjustment layer under color wheels and match. Click on apply match. Wait few seconds. Done. Your video is now cinematic.